Okay, let's start. So, we don't have much to brag about in the introduction. That's why. So let's get right to the topic. So this program, Scale Sociology, is actually about a new approach to your answer writing and test series. But before coming to the specifics of the program, let's talk about an important issue, that is PV Sindhu and her approach to prepare for the Olympics. So she was already an Olympic medal winner, right? So she knew the nuances of scoring a medal in the Olympics. So she could have chosen to prepare on her own for the Tokyo Olympics, but she did not do it. She went for a coach or a mentor. In this case, it was a foreign mentor. Why it is important for you as a civil services aspirant is, there is a common myth among many candidates that they can prepare everything on their own. So that might not be the right thing to do, and it might take a longer amount of time that you spend in the preparation phase. That's why please go for mentorship. What kind of mentors you need is specific to your own unique needs. There is no one size fits all approach. So yes, PV Sindhu and her consecutive success in Olympics does have a message for you. Second thing that we have to talk about is, many candidates get trapped in a vicious cycle of UPSC preparation. So they write their prelims, then they write their mains. They are not able to quite effectively utilize the time between their writing mains and the declaration of mains result. In most of the cases, this is what happens, and then by the time mains results are declared, it is time for the next prelims or interview. So you don't get ample time to work on the core areas of improvement. That is why we have come up with an innovative approach that aims at breaking this vicious cycle that many candidates are caught in. So in Scale Sociology, we will break this vicious cycle at this point. So right before your prelims, these 2 months when you are dedicatedly preparing for your prelims, we will be working on your behalf on your sociology part. How we will be working? So we will be having a detailed one-on-one call. Then we will evaluate your answers that you have attempted in the past, or if you wish, you can attempt a few answers and send it to us. Based on these two parameters primarily, we will come up with a personalized profile for you. It will mention in detail like what all areas you need to focus on. We will discuss the details of this in the coming slides. So that is the core intention of a Scale Sociology, being personalized and hybrid in nature, and for those candidates who are trapped in this vicious cycle, breaking this cycle so that you come out of this trap and finally get your selection. So while you are preparing for your prelims paper, how will you fit in Scale Sociology? So we would request you to give not more than 30 minutes in a day on sociology part. So suppose you have broken down your daily routine of a day in two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Suppose they are of 4 hours each. So between these two phases of 4 hours each, you might go for a change, and this change would be, suppose 15 minutes of the content that we'll be sharing with you. It might be a compilation of introduction or conclusions, or diagrams, or 10 to 15 minutes, and just attempt 1 or 2 answer of sociology, just that, and then switch off your mind from sociology and focus on your prelims part. That way, while you are preparing or devoting your time to sociology, 15 to 30 minutes, you are actually doing it with an intent to further optimize your prelims preparation, so that your efficiency in the entire day of prelims preparation is maintained. Please note that in these 2 months your focus should be primarily on prelims preparation, because there is no point mastering your sociology if you don't get to write the sociology paper. So that is the core idea behind scale sociology. The 2 phases of this program we will discuss shortly in detail. So this is the phase 1, August and September. We will have a detailed 1-to-1 call. We will ask you to submit your previous answers, or if possible attempt a few answers and share with us. We will give access to the value addition content. We have already started giving it to batch 1 candidates, so batch 2 candidates would also get this access. Then phase 2 will start right after you have written your prelims paper. So it will be a formal test series in a time bound manner. It will consist of 9 sociology tests, 1 GS society test, and 1 essay test. So total 11 tests. The detailed schedule would be shared with you right after your prelims paper. So it is a hybrid model, this scale sociology. Why? Because it is a smart mix of both daily answer writing program and the formal test series. So daily answer writing program would cater to your minor issues in answer writing improvements, those micro issues of say aligning an introduction or further improvising your presentation, like that. And the formal test series that would be in phase 2 would actually tune you to the actual demand of UPSC paper in terms of the time and space limitation and your speed of writing answers. So let's discuss the 2 phases in detail. So phase 1, you can attempt 38 answers and share with us anytime till 30th November 2021. We will give you access to our answer writing group so that you can go through the questions, the flowchart of approach, the good introduction, conclusion, presentation, etc. of your peers, because you don't have enough time to commit all mistakes by yourself and then learn from them. So it is best advised to learn from the strengths and weaknesses of your peers. We will have a comprehensive one-on-one call which will last around 1 hour. We will discuss your entire trajectory of preparation so far to figure out those latent, invisible bottlenecks in your preparation which are difficult to figure out and which are kind of preventing you from clearing this exam. There would be an online personalized profile that we discussed shortly. Suppose we come to the conclusion that there needs to be some work on the introduction part of your answers. So this is something unique to you, right? Not every candidate might face this issue. So what we will do is we will share with you a compilation of questions and their introductions, so that you can go through it for 5 to 10 minutes every day, and it will gradually align your introduction with the theme of the answer when you start practicing it in your answer writing and test series. We will also give you access to our previous answer writing groups, so that you learn the nuances of mastering a sociology answer. We will do a live recorded evaluation of 3 answers at least, so it will try and replicate the situation as if your answer is being evaluated in front of you. You exactly know how the evaluation process works and what the examiner expects from you. So it is intended to give a realistic feedback on your answer. Yes, the program is personalized and tailor-made for you, because every candidate is in a unique stage of preparation, and the issues or the improvement areas of a candidate might differ from that of others. That is why, to focus on these micro improvement areas, we have made it completely personalized. Phase 2 plan, it will be a formal test series. It will start most probably on 14th October 2021. The prelims is on 10th October, so you will have 3 days to gear up for your mains, because you have only 89 days between your prelims and mains. In 2017 there were around 130 days between your prelims and mains, so this is a significant dip this year. So please make sure you make a judicious use of every single day at your disposal. Then we will have at least 2 one-to-one calls in phase 3 to discuss your improvement and to address your questions and clarifications. In addition to these 2 one-on-one calls, if you require, you can always schedule a call with us, so that your issues don't stay unaddressed for a longer amount of time. Yes, the preparation phase is actually times of struggle, and it requires sacrifice. So once you succeed, and the outside world might tend to overlook your struggle phase, so please don't worry about that. That is how the practical world might be at times, but this scale sociology program is made to optimize your preparation phase, so that you don't stay in this preparation phase for a longer amount of time, being stuck in that vicious cycle of writing prelims, mains in a cyclical manner over several years. So yes, for all sociological content and courses, please visit our website reliableandvalid.com. Our link to the website and contact details are mentioned in the description below. Please get in touch with us if you have any query whatsoever for any program.